It's very important for an out-of-state resident who is carrying a firearm to understand Michigan's reciprocity laws to ensure that they are doing so legally. As long as a out-of-state resident does have a permit to carry a concealed weapon from their home state, they are authorized to carry that weapon here, but only under these circumstances. First of all, they have to have that permit issued from that other state with them at all times. If they don't have it with them when they're in Michigan and carrying that weapon, they are not then subject to the reciprocity laws, and therefore they are actually breaking the law, committing a felony, carrying a concealed weapon. And so that's very important. You have to have that permit with you, and you have to be able to give it to and hand it to a police officer upon demand. 2, you have to be carrying that weapon for a lawful purpose. That basically means that you can carry the weapon, but you can't be doing anything illegal as you are carrying that weapon. You can't be driving under the influence, for instance, or committing any other crime, particularly any other felony, because we have very, very strict laws when it comes to when it comes to being in possession of a firearm while you are committing a felony. That's a 2-year mandatory minimum offense, and that's not something that you want to do. And so anybody that's coming out of state, even if they're legal and even if they have a valid permit, you have to make sure you're carrying it with them and that you're not doing anything wrong here. And lastly, you cannot have the intention to move to Michigan. If you do have an intention to move to Michigan, or you actually do move to Michigan, then you have to get a license from the state of Michigan. You go to the county in which that you reside and you fill out the application, and you can get a license to carry in Michigan. But if you're going to be a resident, you have to do that. Don't think that your permit to carry from another state is going to allow you to carry here in Michigan. It's not. And if you're found in possession of that firearm and you're carrying it in a concealed manner, that's a felony, and you'll be charged with a felony, and you'll be kicking yourself wondering, why didn't you just go do this easy step on getting yourself a license the valid way here in Michigan? Go to your county and fill out the form and get your permit to carry a concealed weapon for those who are residents of Michigan. But if you're not a resident of Michigan, you have 6 months to stay here, to be able to be here with your permit from another state. Just make sure you have it on you and make sure you're not committing any felonies while you're here. If you have any other questions, you can contact our office at 248-541-2600 or go online, michigancriminalattorney.com.